Rolling.
Okay, this is our model RS700. This is our sanitary version. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to inspect the screen. Open the inspection door. You can see the inspection door does have a limit switch on it, so this will cut off the power of the motor so that it won't run. In here is our screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to disassemble the unit and then put the unit back together. To disassemble the unit and to pull the screen out, you need to take this door down as I have done. As you can see that there's a bar on here, and this bar actually does a few things. It makes sure that the screen frame is back where it belongs in its seat, as well as preventing the screen frame from rotating. With this machine, you can actually rotate the screen inside of it once this door is open and be able to take a look at the screen and make sure that there's no holes or any damage to the screen. With this bar, like I said, makes sure that the screen frame is tucked back into its position and also stops it from rotating. Now we're going to go down to this end and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get inside the machine for clean out. Same deal down here, limit switch. We're going to move this door. Easy access at all the internals. You can see that all of the seals can be easily pulled off. Door seals can easily be pulled off, washed, cleaned, put back on. No tools are necessary. Now I'm going to remove the screen frame. And it doesn't matter which way you put the screen frame in. It can go in this way or be turned 180 degrees. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the rotor assembly. Please understand this is solid stainless steel, so it is a little bit heavy. It is a two-man job. Before I do that, I'm going to actually manually turn the shaft for a reason. If you look at the end of the shaft assembly, you'll notice that there's an up arrow. I'm going to set that at 12 o'clock before I move the shaft assembly, and I'll explain to you why I'm doing that. So basically, I'm going to lift up on the shaft assembly a little bit. I'm going to pull the shaft out. So we're going to pull the shaft assembly completely outside of the unit. There's two of us doing it because it's just a little heavy. There you see the shaft assembly, the whole rotor assembly. Now I'd like you to take a look inside the machine. You'll see that there's a stub shaft, and you'll also see that there's a keyway. You'll see the keyway is at 12 o'clock, which is why I lined up that arrow on the shaft. So it's important to do that when you're taking it apart, putting it back together again. So when it comes to cleaning, now you can clean the entire unit out. You can actually take the camera and go inside, look down inside the unit. Easy ability to clean. And now we're going to put the rotor assembly back inside the machine. Once again, a little bit of a two-man process. Now once the screw is actually inside of its chamber, I'm going to take this, once again, make sure I line up at 12 o'clock. So I'm easy to be able to turn it by myself. Simply slide the rotor back onto the shaft assembly. Take the screen frame. Put it back inside the unit. Make sure it's lined up. I'm going to close this, lock it down. Nice and tight. And then we'll take the end door. Now, it's important when you're looking at the end door, you can see through there, you'll see that there's two screws coming out of the bearing assembly. What you have to do is make sure that they get lined up with either one of these three slots onto the shaft. What you do, lock it up, and that's all there is to it.